Good morning, students of class 3. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please take out your English notebook and your Words with English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 84 as I'll be continuing with lesson 9, the magic sheet. Students, please take out your English notebook and your Words with English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 84 as I'll be continuing with lesson 9, the magic sheet. Students, in my last video, I had explained and written the first 3 question and answers of exercise B of comprehension. And today, first of all, I'm going to read the lesson for you and then revise the first 3 question and answers of exercise B and then continue with the 4th question. So all of you please turn to page 84 and listen to me as I read this lesson, and please move your fingers along so that you know how to pronounce the words correctly. Lesson 9, the magic sheet. Diya, Rohit, Tina and Krish were playing in the park with a ball. Suddenly, Krish threw the ball too high and it disappeared behind the bushes. Rohit and Tina ran to the bush to find the ball. They found a big white sheet lying on the ground. A box of bright sparkling colors was also there. Rohit and Tina were very surprised. Tina was scared to touch the objects, but Rohit took the sheet and the box of colors to their friends. Everyone was puzzled to see those things at the park. All of them started talking about the harm in touching strange objects. Meanwhile, Diya took a color and drew a flower on the sheet. To the utter astonishment of the children, as soon as Diya finished the drawing, the flower came to life and jumped out of the sheet. Diya exclaimed, "Wow, a magic sheet!" The children became very excited. They all started drawing different figures on the sheet. Small hills, trees, birds, flowers, grasses, butterflies, fountains, etc. All these figures came to life and jumped out of the sheet. Soon the park became green and colorful. The children were ecstatic. They then drew balloons and toys and started playing with them. After some time, the children became hungry. So, they drew chocolates, toffees, chips, cold drinks, ice creams, sandwiches, pizzas, and so on. When these objects came to life, the children quickly ate them. However, they left the wrappers of the food items in the park only. But something awful started happening. Around every piece of litter, the park turned grey, and this greyness started spreading quickly everywhere. To the trees, small hills, flowers, grasses, and fountains. To the dismay of the children, the colorful park had started turning grey. The children realized that the litter that they had thrown in the park was to blame for all the greyness. They quickly ran through the park to pick up all the garbage. The children didn't leave a single piece of litter in the park. They enjoyed playing happily in the wonderful green park, full of colorful birds and flowers. They left the park in the evening but forgot the magic sheet. The children never saw that magic sheet and those sparkling colors in the park again. But now, every time they go for a picnic or to the park, they remember that day and are quick to pick up any litter. They even tell their other friends that anything littered around us can spoil the beauty of nature. Now, let's revise exercise A of comprehension. Choose the correct options to answer the following question. Now, children, let's revise them as question and answers. The first question: what did the children find under the bushes in the park? The correct option is C, that is both A and B. But the answer will be, the children found a big white sheet and a box of bright colors under the bushes in the park. Question 2. Who drew a flower on the magic sheet first? The correct option is option C, Diya. And the answer will be, Diya drew a flower on the magic sheet first. Question 3. What did the children not draw on the magic sheet? The correct option is option D, and the answer will be, the children did not draw ants on the magic sheet. Question 4. What was responsible for all the grayness in the park? The correct option is option A, garbage, and the answer is, the garbage was responsible for all the grayness in the park. Now, exercise B, answer the following questions. The first question: how did the children find the magic sheet in the park? Answer 1. When Rohit and Tina ran to the bush to find the ball, they found the magic sheet lying on the ground in the park. Again, I'm repeating answer 1. When Rohit and Tina ran to the bush to find the ball, they found the magic sheet lying on the ground in the park. Question 2. How did the park become green? Answer 2. When all the figures drawn on the sheet by the children came to life and jumped out of the sheet, the park became green and colorful. Again, I'm repeating answer 2. When all the figures drawn on the sheet by the children came to life and jumped out of the sheet, the park became green and colorful. Question 3. What happened when the children threw trash in the park? Answer 3. When the children threw trash in the park turned grey, and this greyness started spreading quickly everywhere. Answer 3. When the children threw trash in the park turned grey, and this greyness started spreading quickly everywhere. Now I'm going to start with the fourth question. Exercise B of comprehension. Answer the following questions. Now, question number 4. What did the children learn from the incident at the park What did the children learn from the incident at the park? बेटा, जब बच्चों को भूख लगी और उन्होंने बहुत सारे ईटेबल्स ड्रॉ किए और वो सारे ईटेबल्स चॉकलेट्स, टॉफीज, कोल्ड ड्रिंक, सैंडविचेस, आइसक्रीम वो सारे रियल हो गए, बच्चों ने खा लिए। तो जो भी चिप्स वगैरह के रैपर थे, है ना, वो सब बच्चों ने क्या किया, वो वही पार्क में डंप कर दिया। और जैसे ही उन्होंने ट्रैश, जो कूड़ा करकट है, उसको डंप किया, गार्बेज को डंप किया पार्क में, जो पार्क ग्रीन एंड कलरफुल था, सडनली पार्क क्या होने लग गया, ग्रे होने लग गया। एंड वो ग्रेनेस पूरे पार्क में गंदगी फैल गई। सो व्हाट डिड द चिल्ड्रन रियलाइज? दैट जो the litter which they had shown in the park was to blame for all the grayness. जो भी उन्होंने कूड़ा करकट पार्क में फेंका था, वो सारा जो कूड़ा करकट रिस्पॉन्सिबल था जो पार्क को ग्रे, डर्टी बनाने के लिए। So our answer fourth will be the children realized that the litter that they had thrown, that the litter they had thrown in the park was to blame for all the grayness. Now, question fourth. What did the children learn from the incident at the park? Answer fourth. The children realized that the litter they had thrown, sorry, I forgot to write N, they had thrown, THROWN, thrown in the park was to blame for all the grayness. Fine. So again, what did the children learn from the incident at the park? इंसिडेंट मतलब जो घटना घटी पार्क में। क्या घटना घटी? पहले पार्क ग्रीन और कलरफुल था और बच्चों ने जो खा के जो ट्रैश, कूड़ा करकट सब फेंका पार्क में, उससे पार्क क्या हो गया? ग्रे। तो वो जो पार्क की जो ग्रेनेस थी, वो उसके लिए कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल था? जितना भी जो ट्रैश था, जो गार्बेज था, जो लिटर था, है ना, ट्रैश, गार्बेज, लिटर सबका मीनिंग सेम है, जो कूड़ा करकट है ना, तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल था, was to be blamed, उसको ब्लेम किया जाना था कि जो पार्क में जो ग्रेनेस हो गई थी। So the answer is the children realized, REALISED, that the litter, trash, garbage, तीनों का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? कूड़ा करकट, है ना, कचरा जिसको बोलते हैं, that they had thrown, THROWN, thrown in the park was to blame for all the grayness. जो पार्क ग्रीन और कलरफुल था, अब पार्क कैसा हो गया था? एकदम ग्रे, गंदा, है ना। So again I'm repeating question fourth. What did the children learn from the incident at the park? Answer. The children realized that the litter that they had thrown in the park was to blame for all the greyness. The spelling of greyness is Greyness. Again, I am repeating question 4. What did the children learn from the incident at the park? The answer is the children realized that the litter that they had thrown in the park was to blame for all the greyness. Again, I am repeating. What did the children learn from the incident at the park? Answer is the children realized that the litter that they had thrown in the park was to blame for all the greyness. So, I hope all of you have written, and children, remember to draw a parting line using a scale and pencil after each answer. बेटा हर आंसर के बाद आपको स्केल से और पेंसिल से एक पार्टिंग लाइन खींचनी है so that your work looks neat. Question 4. What did the children learn from the incident at the park? The answer is the children realized that the litter that they had thrown in the park was to blame for all the greyness. So I'm sure all of you have written. Now I'm going to erase this and write the 5th question. Question number 5. What do the children tell to their friends? Now, what do the children tell to their friends? Now, after the children had realized that the trash what they had thrown in the park was responsible for all the greyness in the park, the children had become very careful. They had started picking up all the litter, each and every single piece of litter from the park. So, and the children had also telling their friends that if you throw the trash, the litter in surroundings, it will spoil the beauty of nature. वो nature की beauty को खराब कर देगा. So, the answer is the children tell to their friends. The children tell to their friends that anything littered around us can spoil the beauty of nature. Now, the children tell to their friends. बच्चे अपने friends को क्या बोलते हैं? That anything littered around, कि अगर आपके आसपास आपने कुछ भी कूड़ा करकट कचरा फेंका है ना, या कूड़ा करकट आपके आसपास फैला हुआ है तो वो क्या करेगा? स्पॉइल मीन्स खराब कर देगा। स्पॉइल मीन्स खराब कर देगा। क्या खराब कर देगा? ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर। जो नेचर की अपनी ब्यूटी है उसको हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है ना अपना कूड़ा करकट फेंकते हैं और सुंदर नेचर को हम खराब कर देते हैं। आपने देखा इफ द सराउंडिंग इज क्लीन, अगर ट्रीज क्लीन है, पार्क अच्छा है तो बर्ड्स सिंग करते हैं, बटरफ्लाइज फ्लाई, फ्लावर्स ब्लूम करते हैं। बट अगर उसी लैंड पे आप बहुत सारा लिटर करोगे, कचरा फेंकोगे, कूड़ा फेंकोगे तो फ्लावर्स भी नहीं ग्रो कर पाएंगे, ट्रीज भी नहीं ग्रो कर पाएंगे। तो जब फ्लावर्स ही नहीं होंगे, ट्रीज ही नहीं होंगे तो विल दी बर्ड्स कम? नो, दी बर्ड्स विल नॉट कम। विल दी बटरफ्लाई फ्लाई ओवर दी फ्लावर्स? नो। सो एवरीथिंग विल टर्न ग्रे। कूड़ा कैसे ग्रे कलर का होता है तो पूरा कचरा ही कचरा चारों तरफ रहेगा। तो नेचर की जो ब्यूटी है वो हम खराब कर देंगे। क्यों खराब कर देंगे? किससे खराब कर देंगे? कूड़े करकट से हम खराब कर देंगे। सो वी मस्ट एंश्योर दैट आवर सराउंडिंग इज क्लीन और हमको कूड़ा करकट इधर उधर नहीं फेंकना चाहिए, है ना। तो ये लेसन से हमको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है कि हम लोग वी आर इन अ हैबिट कि हमने चिप्स खाया, कुरकुरे खाया, बिस्किट खाया, चॉकलेट टॉफी खाई और हम खा के वापस इधर उधर फेंक देते हैं। घर में हो, स्कूल में हो, है ना। एंड एट टाइम्स हम अपने घर का कूड़ा वी डंप ऑन दी अदर साइड ऑफ द रोड। अरे हमारा घर तो साफ है, दैट इज नॉट द वे, है ना। हमको जो कचरा है उसको प्रॉपर डिस्पोज ऑफ करना चाहिए, डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए। इट इज नॉट दैट कि कूड़ा हम आसपास सराउंडिंग्स में फेंक दें। सो यू ऑल मस्ट एंश्योर दैट आपकी जो सराउंडिंग्स है वो क्लीन एंड ग्रीन होंगी, देन ओनली यू विल एंजॉय द ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर। अदरवाइज अगर आप कूड़ा करकट फेंकोगे, इफ यू कीप योर सराउंडिंग्स डर्टी, सो यू विल बी डूइंग व्हाट? यू विल बी स्पॉइलिंग द ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर। Okay, again, what do the children tell to their friends? Answer: the children tell to their friends that anything littered around us can spoil the beauty of nature. कि हमारे आसपास अगर कूड़ा कचरा फैला होगा तो वो क्या करेगा? नेचर की जो ब्यूटी है ना, प्रकृति की जो नेचुरल ब्यूटी है उसको वो खराब कर देगा। तो हमें क्या इंश्योर करना चाहिए? वी शुड इंश्योर दैट वी डू नॉट थ्रो दी लिटर। और कभी हमें दिखे भी तो वी शुड इमीडिएटली पिक इट अप, थ्रो इट इन दी डस्टबिन और डिस्पोज इट ऑफ प्रॉपरली। ऐसा नहीं कि डस्टबिन उठा के अक्रॉस द रोड वी क्लियर इट, नो, दैट इज नॉट द वे। हम एक जगह से उठा के दूसरे जगह डाल रहे हैं। सो प्रॉपर जो बड़े डस्टबिन होते हैं उसमें जाके आप एम्प्टी कीजिए। एंड अभी तो व्हीकल्स आते हैं जो पूरा गार्बेज कलेक्ट करते हैं, डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन होता है। तो वी मस्ट एंश्योर कि रादर देन थ्रोइंग हियर एंड देयर वी शुड डिस्पोज द गार्बेज प्रॉपरली। सो चिल्ड्रन, आई एम श्योर अब आप सब भी आसपास लिटर नहीं थ्रो करेंगे। एंड इफ यू सी एनीथिंग dropped here and there, you'll always pick it up, throw it in the dustbin, and you'll keep the surroundings clean and you will maintain the beauty of nature. Again, I'm repeating, children, what did the children tell to their friends? The answer is the children tell to their friends that anything littered around, है ना, कि कुछ भी कूड़ा करकट अगर आपने फेंका तो उससे क्या होगा? Us can spoil the beauty of nature. So I'm sure all of you have written all the 5 question and answers, children. Now, with this, we have finished exercise B, that is answer the following questions. Now, I'm going to erase this and I'm going to start with exercise C, that is find words from the story that are ना कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं बेटा और उनके हमें सिमिलर मीनिंग्स लेसन में से ढूंढने हैं. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज baffled. B-A-F-F-L-E-D. baffled. B-A-F-F-L-E-D. baffled का मतलब होता है puzzled, confused. और इसका जो मीनिंग आपका वर्ड बुक में दिया है that is puzzled. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. Please write this word, children. The word is puzzled. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. puzzled. puzzled का मतलब confused, है ना. Children बहुत puzzled थे when they saw the white magic sheet and the colors lying in the park. So they were confused कि अरे ये पार्क में आया तो कहाँ से आया. So baffled means puzzled. Baffled, puzzled. Then the second word is total. T-O-T-A-L. total का जो synonym जो बुक में दिया है and that is utter, complete. utter का मतलब complete. U-T-T-E-R, utter. utter means complete or total. utter means complete or total. Then the third word is delighted. The third word is beta delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. Delighted means overjoyed and the word given in the lesson is ecstatic. ecstatic खुशी से भर जाना, है ना. बहुत ज्यादा खुश हो जाने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ecstatic, overjoyed. Then the fourth word is terrible. terrible, बहुत खराब. And the word given in the lesson is awful. A-W-F-U-L, awful. And awful means horrible, बहुत खराब. Then the next word is panic. Panic and panic means हड़बड़ा जाना, जिसको कहते हैं ना हड़बड़ा जाना. And the word given in the lesson is dismay, घबरा जाना, है ना. हड़बड़ा जाना, घबरा जाना, dismay, which means fear. बहुत जल्दी घबरा जाना, that is panic. And the sixth word is damage. damage मतलब खराब हो जाना, खराब, नुकसान, है ना. And the word given in the lesson is spoil, है ना. spoil means to destroy. Fine. Now let's revise these. ये words दिए हैं और इनके हमको synonym, same meaning के words lesson में से ढूंढने थे. The first word is baffled और baffled का जो word है that is puzzled. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. Then the second word is total. T-O-T-A-L. उसका जो word है utter. utter means complete. U-T-T-E-R. Then the third word is delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. And इसका जो word है that is ecstatic means overjoyed. E-C-S-T-A-T-I-C. Please ensure that you write the correct spellings. Then the fourth word is terrible. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. terrible means awful. A-W-F-U-L. awful means horrible, बहुत खराब. Then the fifth word is panic. P-A-N-I-C. panic. panic means despair, घबरा जाना, है ना. dismay means घबरा जाना, हड़बड़ा जाना, घबरा जाना, that is dismay. Then the sixth word is damage. D-A-M-A-G-E. damage. And damage means spoil, to destroy, S-P-O-I-L, spoil. So students, with this, we have finished exercise C of comprehension. That's all for today. And students, I'm sure all of you will surely complete these synonyms in your books and learn the spelling. That's all for today, children. Thank you, students. Good day ahead.